Reaper Militia sidetracked right here. Check out that blade. That is a Kershaw. Kershaw Select Fire 1920 WMX. The steel is the CR13 MOV. Bead blasted finish. Handle is glass filled nylon. Blade is 3.4 inches. Closed is 4.25 inches. Liner lock. Reversible pocket clip for the lefties. 25 hex drive. 2 flathead screwdriver bits. 2 crosshead bits. Got her at Walmart. Check that out. This thing is wicked cool so far. For one, smooth. Oh man, it is way smoother than that CRT I bought. I cannot see my screen. It is wicked sunny. Check out this knife. Wicked cool. Wicked smooth. Look at that drop. You got the driver. This is awesome. First position. Second position. Your bits. They're spring loaded. How cool is that? It's magnetic. So you can screw it in. I haven't used this yet. I just got it. Wicked cool. Wicked neat. It's made in China. Kershaw. I guess they're supposed to be pretty decent, right? Here's your flatheads. Hopefully you're seeing this. There's your pocket clip. It's pretty tight. Put it on my pants, and I wear baggy pants. I don't wear those tight ass skinny jean pants, so it's kind of hard to get out of my pocket, but it's got to use a little bit of strength. Wicked cool. She feels sharp. I don't know if she is sharp. She sure does feel it though. Got a piece of school paper here. Oh wow. You guys see that? Oh. I'd say that's pretty sharp. I'm not the perfect, paper cutter. Yeah. I'd say she's pretty sharp though. Not too bad. You know, use this at work. You know, cut open boxes or something. How does it hold an edge? I'm not sure. I haven't put it to work yet. Let's see if it'll shave. No, it definitely won't shave. But it's not like you couldn't do that yourself by sharpening it. Got a few hairs and some skin. I don't know if you guys saw it, but Let's try to use the crosshead bit. See how she works. It's working, biting in. I don't know if you guys can see the screw going in. Pretty sure you can. Down position. I just slipped out of it. Looks like it tore up the screw more than it tore up the bit, so that's good. It's definitely going in, definitely working. So that's cool. Bits work. I'm gonna put this to work. This will be my new E.D.C. I'll carry it every day and see how it works out. Could play with that all day. It's nice and smooth. 30 bucks. I think that's pretty neat. What do you guys think? That's awesome buy, right? See how it works for a little work knife or something. All the little gadgets on it and tools, like a knife and a multi-tool. 30 bucks, Kershaw. Good steel. So it's not cheap China. They say Kershaw's good, I guess, right? I hear anyways, depending on who you talk to. I'm gonna find out. Reaper Militia Sidetrack. Thanks for watching, guys. Much respect and appreciation for all the views. You guys rock. Thanks for watching. Reaper Militia. Peace out, everybody. Have a great day.